how to fix the missing DLL file error in your Microsoft Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can simply and quickly fix your DLL errors in Microsoft Windows 11. So the easiest method to do this is to open any web browser of your choice. So for example, I'm opening Google Chrome here, and from here you need to type in this website. So this is dllfiles.com. As you can see, this is the particular address for this website, and I will be giving the link in the description. So you'll need to follow this particular website, and from here you can simply type in that DLL file that is missing. So you can simply type in the DLL file name, and from here you can download that DLL file. Or apart from that, if you don't know which DLL file is missing, then what you can do is come to this particular website, which is pinned onto the description as well. So what you can do is simply from here you can download the DirectX user runtime web installer. From here, select the language in which you want to download and then click onto this download button. You can see this exe file getting downloaded. Simply open it, and once this particular thing opens, click on yes to grant it the necessary permissions. From here, click onto the I accept the agreement and then click onto the next button. Now from here you can deselect this install the Bing bar, as it is very annoying. So after deselecting this, click onto the next button, and now you can see that this is initializing the components, and the installation will begin for all of the DLL files that needs to be installed. So once this is done, hopefully your DLL errors will be resolved. And thanks for watching this video, and have a nice day.